y'all, what's up? It's your girl Iesha, G-O and everyone, welcome back to my channel. Hey guys, I am actually in Orlando, Florida. I've been telling y'all about this little trip that I was going on for a long time. I'm actually standing in front of the biggest McDonald's in the world. Who knows if that's really true, but that's what Google said, so hey, that's what I'm saying. Anyway, so here's the McDonald's. As you can see, there's a little golden arch right there. Palm trees are everywhere, honey, and it's just a beautiful sight. So we about to go inside of McDonald's. Make sure you like this video if you like, and make sure you like, comment, and subscribe to my channel so you won't miss any kind of videos. And I got some hair on my lips, so I gotta move that real quick. And let's go inside. Wait for me, wait for me, wait for me. First off, 3 drive-throughs. The biggest McDonald's. So here's the desserts. See all of the desserts here. And they got this big open space. Oh, they even got, what McDonald's you know got a whole aquarium, a fish tank inside? Like, which McDonald's do you know? Because I ain't never been in one. But anyways, this is really cute. The little fish. Oh, look at him. Yes sir, yes sir. So they obviously have the self-service machines inside, which is pretty dope. Of course, they all work. You just gotta press this, start your order. Oh, okay. And there we go. It all comes up. So here's the menu. We got some pasta, which we don't have anywhere else. You know, that's pretty cool. Got some pizza here. Pretty nice. Different. Then they got the regular McChicken. Everything else is just regular. And then, damn, that is huge. Like, it is big as hell back there. This is really nice. Yeah. You want to go upstairs? Yeah. Can we? Yeah. This is really nice. What McDonald's you know? You wanna go upstairs? Yeah. Alright, so we're headed upstairs. This is really dope. A McDonald's with stairs in it. I've seen it, never been inside. But this is cool. What McDonald's you know got a whole elevator? An elevator? What? Okay, sis. Hey, but that's not even the best part. The best part of it all is the arcade. What McDonald's you know got an arcade? In McDonald's, that's crazy. How you feel? I don't know. Is it nice? Arcade. This is really dope. It say 8 credits. This is 8 credits. So the dudes are playing air hockey over there, and we about to get on this. It's gonna be fun. Ready? Ready? Yep. Swipe it, swipe it. Uh-oh. Alright, so we're finally leaving McDonald's. It was really cool, really dope. I'm walking down the stairs now. Never seen a McDonald's with stairs in it, so that's a little different. But it's really cool, so see y'all later. Make sure you subscribe to my channel. It's up. It's Iesha G, and I'm out.